mi gente, how's it going? My name is Timba Heat, and in this video, we're going to be learning a fun move called the halftime pivot step. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, straight into it. Let's start out with Somotuno. Here we go. 5, 6, Somotuno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Una más. Y 1, 2, 3. Halftime pivot step. So I'm actually going to switch directions this time. I'm going to be facing to my right so you can see what's happening on the pivot. So first I start off with the left leg on the 1, like so. Then I'm going to shift and pivot to my right foot on 2 and land on 3. Now with that same left leg, I'm going to step forward on the 5. Shift on 6, land on 7, all right, with that pivot, and then Somotuno, 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7, all right? Let's try it nice and slow. 5, 6, Somotuno, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, una más, y 1, 2, 3, halftime pivot step, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3, allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me in the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so the key factor for this move is pretty much moving your hips. So you want to make sure when you're doing Somotuno here and you're doing that halftime pivot step, I want to use my hips on that pivot. So I go step on that 1, pivot, and use my hips on that 2 to land on that 3. I'm going to do it one more time here for the 5. So 5, use the hips here on 6, land on 7, and then Somotuno, 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7. All right, so really use the hips. It's going to help make this move so much smoother, all right? So let's try this in halftime music, and then we'll do it at full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, Somotuno, 1, 2, 3, halftime pivot step, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. One more time, halftime pivot step, and left, right, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, double time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, hand on 1. Here we go. Halftime pivot step on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, hand on 1. One more time, get ready. Halftime pivot step, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, on 1, y allí nada más. Alright everybody, this will conclude our lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.